Many people think hacking is very complicated and only done by highly skilled programmers. But in reality, most hackers succeed by using simple tricks and human mistakes. Hacking means gaining unauthorized access to computers, online accounts, networks, or digital data. Hackers usually target people and systems that lack basic cybersecurity awareness. One of the most common hacking methods is phishing. Phishing attacks use fake emails, messages, or websites that look legitimate. These messages often pretend to come from banks, social media platforms, delivery companies, or trusted services. When users click on these links or enter their login details, hackers capture their information. Phishing works because it creates urgency or fear. Messages may say your account will be blocked or your payment failed. People react quickly without checking, which makes phishing very effective. Another common hacking method is weak passwords. Many users choose passwords that are easy to remember but also easy to guess. Examples include names, birthdays, phone numbers, or common words. Some people reuse the same password across multiple websites. Hackers use automated tools that can try thousands of password combinations in seconds. If one account is compromised, hackers often gain access to other accounts using the same password. Malware is another powerful hacking technique. Malware is harmful software designed to damage systems or steal information. It can enter devices through unsafe downloads, fake software updates, email attachments, or infected websites. Once malware is installed, it can monitor keystrokes, steal passwords, access files, or even take control of the device. Some malware runs silently in the background without the user noticing anything unusual. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks files and demands money to unlock them. Many individuals and companies have lost important data because of ransomware attacks. Hackers also exploit software vulnerabilities. A vulnerability is a weakness or flaw in software, apps, or operating systems. When systems are not updated regularly, these flaws remain open for hackers to exploit. Hackers scan the internet for outdated software versions. Once they find a vulnerable system, they use the flaw to gain access or install malicious code. Public Wi-Fi networks are another major security risk. Many public networks are not encrypted or properly secured. Hackers can intercept data sent over these networks, especially when users log into accounts or enter passwords. Using public Wi-Fi without protection can expose emails, login credentials, and personal information. This is why many cyber attacks happen in cafes, airports, and hotels. Social engineering is another technique hackers use. Instead of attacking systems directly, hackers manipulate people. They may pretend to be IT support, co-workers, or service providers to gain trust. Once trust is established, victims may unknowingly share sensitive information. This makes social engineering one of the most dangerous hacking methods. To protect yourself from hackers, strong cybersecurity practices are essential. Always use strong and unique passwords for every account. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Keep your devices, apps, and operating systems updated. Software updates often fix security vulnerabilities. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from unknown sources. Be cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks. If possible, avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public networks. Hacking can be prevented through awareness and basic cybersecurity habits. Understanding how hackers operate is the first step towards staying safe online. If you want more simple and clear explanations about technology and cybersecurity, subscribe to Tech and AMP, Cyber Explained. New videos are uploaded regularly to help you stay informed and secure in the digital world.